Hello guys, welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. And for today's video, we're gonna read Sagittarius whatsoever for the month or for the week, for the second week of May. Kasi 'di ba Thursday ngayon. Okay, I'm filming this 7th of May. So this reading is for the 11th of May. So we still have days before that day. So what's going to be the destiny or the energy of the Sagittarius? Let's see. Parang ano na to guys somehow general reading for Sagittarius. Basta kung ano lang makita natin, then we'll have it. Tapos ano lang tayo mag-film guys, let's see, less than 5 minutes para mapakinggan nyo agad. Oh, revelations are coming next week for you Sagittarius. And it's more on you're gonna have freedom. We have here the 7 of Swords in reverse. Ayan. Napo-focus ba? Okay. Yeah, so we have the 7 of Swords in reverse. Revelation will come. It's like an answer to the question that you've been waiting for, and you'll have freedom this time. Yeah, I guess you're waiting for this answer, and pag nakuha mo na yung answer is eto na, magiging malaya na ako. Yeah. Oh, so we have here the Knight of Cups. Magiging malaya ka from someone who's manipulative. I guess it's like the relationship, no? Kung nasa relationship ka as of the moment and yung kapartner mo is manipulative, it's time to free yourself. Kung hindi ka man i-free nung destiny, i-free mo na yung self mo kasi it's the right time. Yeah, we have the Knight of Cups in reverse. Yeah, we have the Eight of Cups. Yeah, it's very uncertain na kasi where you are right now. It's very uncertain. Not only in love to guys it could be career also na someone manipulates you and you're not growing anymore. So it could be also like that guys. And here, you need to make the decision right now We have the 8 of Cups dito guys. And you need to make the decision right now. It's the right time to act. Kasi you've been hiding that for a long time na parang okay, you've been thinking it for a long time. Kaya ko pa ba? Kaya ko bang gawin to? Kasi it seems like I'm scared to do it. But yeah, your cards are telling na it's the right time now. Okay, so we have here the Two of Wands. Keep your goals. Yeah, kasi papunta ka na dun sa mga goals mo sa buhay. Kailangan mo lang ng courage. You don't have enough confidence, Sagittarius, especially this week. So put confidence on yourself right now. Yeah, put confidence on yourself right now. So you'll have you'll have it the goal Yung goal is nandyan na. So you need to put confidence on yourself right now. And also, we have here the world. Okay, so we have here, kasi everything you've worked for, eto na, magkakatotoo na siya. Sagittarius, so ano na, gawin mo na yan. Kung gusto mo mag-resign ka na. Gusto mo i-break yung relationship, i-break mo na yan. Kasi eto na yung time para makalaya ka. Kasi you've been in prison for a long time already. Okay. So we have here, believe in yourself, okay, and have courage. So, wala ka talagang confidence, so kailangan mo talaga ng confidence for this week. So yon, like, hindi natin masyadong tatagalan kasi that's for only 1 week lang naman. And para mas mapanood yung video na to talaga. So, yan yung nakita natin so far parang natakal niya yung love and yung career. Yeah, so palayain mo yung sarili mo sa Sagittarius, and eto na yung right time para mag-let go ka sa mga bagay na nagpapahirap sa'yo.